everyone, today I want to tell you about an interesting topic. I need assembly instructions. Bonavita Sheffield lifestyle grip instructions. First, we answer the question. I need assembly Bonavita Sheffield lifestyle grip instructions. How do I lower the mattress on my Bonavita grip quickly? How do I lower the mattress on my Bonavita grip without taking apart the grip? Most grips have tabs. Bonavita Sheffield lifestyle grip instructions on the rolls of them. Take everything out: bedding, mattress, etc. Take a look at the platform that the mattress lays in, especially the corners. You might see a hook at each corner that fits into a release tab. Unlock the release tab and remove the hook. Do this for each side and reinsert the hook at the correct level in the grip. If this is not the case, you may need to look at the owner's manual. But I think you should be able to get a good idea about how it lowers when you remove all the bedding out of the grip. Need to lower mattress to lower position. How? Here are some tips. 1. Remove the mattress, bedding, and any load on the mattress spring. 2. Remove the bolts attracting the support frame to the grip. 3. Reattach at the desired level. 4. Reattach all 4 points and tighten. Do not over tighten. 5. Replace mattress bedding and any load. Okay, that's all. If you see this is good video, like video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for your listening. Good luck for you. See you next time.